Hello, welcome back to MixTechUG, and if you click this video you want to know how to get a Netflix account so that you can begin streaming all the latest movies and the latest blockbusters, so that you can have an account, just Netflix account, so that you can begin streaming all the latest movies and the latest blockbusters, so that you can have an account just like this one you're seeing on your screen. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it in very simple steps. If YouTube does not take down this video, you guys can enjoy, but of course leave a comment down there if you have any challenge or anything you want to know more. I'm going to leave my contacts below so that you can text me directly and let us help each other out. So subscribe to the channel and give me a like. So we're going to get into the video right away. So you need a Netflix account just like this one, and then you need to watch any of your series or movies or anything. I don't know if you're able to see the screen right now, but yes, there are a lot of movies on Netflix, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get yourself that. So let's get straight into it. So what you'll need a smartphone, and you need a browser and the internet access. So this method, what it does is I'm going to be giving you a way to get the Netflix account very legally at a certain marketplace where sellers sell these accounts at a cheaper price. And of course, if you need any other account that you need that is sold, and these are legit accounts, because even this account I'm using right now, I bought it from that marketplace. And of course the transactions for every country are catered for, so all countries are catered for. So all you have to do is just go to that website, sign up, make a registration, and then look for the seller. So I'm going to be walking you through. So what you have to do is go to your browser, then you're going to just type in this Z2U, Z2U, then you search for it, then it's going to bring you this. So the very first one, the very high ranking, so this is a very legit website, it's not scam. I've been using it for years, so just thought of you guys and I was like, let me share this with you, because I've been having a lot of people coming into my comments and telling me, sir, we need this and we need this, you know. So I'm like, okay, why don't I make a video about it and help people? So all I want you to do for me is just give me a like. So before you go to the site, I need you to see something here. Do not rush into it. I don't want you guys to make any mistakes, so watch the video till the end. So just come here and search for Netflix. So when you search for Netflix, you're going to see there are two. There's video website app and then Netflix, and there is gift cards here, account, top up. I need you to choose account. So click on the account. So when you click on the account, there are very many offers here, and some of them are very expensive, right? So what is our budget? Let's say our budget is $1 to $3. So we're going to put here, sorry, I think I'm going to first click on the filter here. So we're going to filter between the clients or the sellers. So you say I want one between the range of $1 to $3, and if you're in Uganda, that is between $4,000 to $10,000. So Netflix subscription is very expensive, but if you can get it at 2.2 USD, that is like 11,000. Actually, that's not even, it's like 10,000, 8,000, 9,000. So just imagine you just click on this guy right now, and you see that he's actually active right now. So what you have to do is you can either chat with him, and then you go to buy now. So guys, watch till the end. Of course I have to sign in, so I'm going to sign in very quick. So I'm going to sign in very quickly here, because I already have an account. But if you do not have an account, you'll have to log in, create an account, and then you can start going into that. So once you're here, look at that right now. So just click on the buy now. So always choose those sellers that are very cheap, you know. Then you just click and proceed to check out. If you have a coupon code from the seller, if you chatted before and he gave you a coupon code for a discount, well and good, apply it. But now I do not have, so you proceed to check out. So for my people in Uganda or any other country, what you're going to do is click here. So if you have a Visa card, pay with that. But if you do not have and you want to use mobile money to pay, just click here, other local payment, then type your country. Okay, just type Uganda, whatever country you're from, just type it. So you see they have MTN, Airtel Money and all that. So I'm going to just click Airtel Money, then you say pay now. So they're going to take you to a merchant, so you confirm here, pay now. Then you're going to click, you put in your number, whatever your number is. So let's put in my number here, then press continue. So you see that's like 8,900. Netflix accounts are sold on their website at around 40,000 a monthly, or even more, depends on the package, but these are premium accounts. Okay, so you see they'll bring this confirmation. So if you want to buy the account, just put in your pin and it will be done. So guys, that is it for the video. If you're very excited, give me a like. If you've gotten some value from the video, by the way, you can make this a business. You can go onto Telegram, make a channel and sell Netflix accounts just like those people on Telegram. Sell Netflix accounts you buy it here at 8,000, sell it at 15,000, make the profit, and this will be legit. Do not scam people, be a legit person. So if you guys are excited or are thankful, grateful, just subscribe to the channel and like. So thank you so much. And as you can see on the screen right there, I'm showing you this is how they deliver the account. They'll send it to your email or the chat box. So that is how they deliver it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.